Hey, this is Randy. I'm here at D&D Powersports in Olive Branch, Mississippi. So I'm here with
Skylar Reinhardt. Nice to meet y'all. I'm from Byhalia, Mississippi. But yeah, this is my bike. I got a Gixxer 1300 hot wheel stuff, but just really got it, to be honest.
See if we can get it from this side a little better.
Yeah, it's a little dark.
All right, let's get from this side. Let's get a little closer and tell us about your bike.
Really just got it, to be honest. There's not much done to it. It has smoke tail lights and that's really about it. And the exhaust.
So this is a 2019.
3,000 miles on it. Yeah.
Pretty clean. How many have you put on it?
Not many. I've only put like 200 on it.
All right, so where are we at?
We're at D&D Powersports. I'm one of the mechanics in the back. There's only two of us actually in the back. My dad runs the place.
Oh, neat.
Yeah, but we mainly do side-by-sides, four-wheelers, jet skis. That's our main focus. But we do some motorcycle stuff, just accessories mostly. We do a lot of the slingshots around here too.
Okay.
A lot. And but yeah, and then we also have a hobby store that no one ever knows about.
Well, let's see what's inside.
Yeah, no one ever knows.
People that know about it now.
Yeah. And then we also do cars for pretty much anything. Crawling, but wicked fast. There's some of them that go 90 to 100.
So if some enterprising young parent wanted to get something cool for their kid,
and you'd be surprised,
or for themselves,
adults that do this. Like on Saturdays we'll be open and people will come on this and there'll be like 15 adults on it. Just for the little mini scale.
This is a test obstacle course?
Yes sir, yeah. It's just a crawler course for the little scale ones. But people get deep into it. Like it's great.
Yeah, I've seen, when I lived up in St. Louis, people do the same thing with trains.
Yeah. Oh
They
yeah,
have
it's
huge
pretty much
train
the
sets.
exact same thing. Just harder. If you start out with a $120 car and can put $600–700 in it,
Easy.
and it's that big.
And you've got all the stuff,
Yeah.
customizing stuff. To customize an RC, who knew?
Yo, dude. It's
And this
crazy.
stuff, you can get deep into it.
Yeah. It's crazy.
All right, man.
This is just a side piece, but we mostly focus on the four-wheelers and side-by-sides.
So
Pretty much.
So what kind of stuff do people usually do to their RC cars?
Like you could start out with one of these. This is a Traxxas one. That one's like 150 or something. And you could end up with this. Like the cage is $100 by itself. It's full-wheel steer, full-wheel drive. It's got a brushless motor. The motor in it costs more than the car stock. Yeah,
That's
it's
insane.
ridiculous. I mean, literally, there's nothing on it. So, nothing.
That's insane.
Yeah.
That is heavy hobby stuff there.
Yeah, I mean, there's a whole shotgun shell of BBs in each tire.
Jeez.
Yes, sir. Yeah,
That is insane. This is some neat stuff. I used to do RC cars, but they didn't have this stuff when I was young.
Oh, dude, the electric stuff's taking over. It's crazy. You just plug up and go.
And I noticed you got a lot of oils and lubes in the back there that you can probably get.
Yeah. Yes, we can pretty much get and hold to anything too.
So if anybody wanted some
Batteries
lubes,
or-
batteries, gear oil,
Yeah.
lube oil, you got filters over there. So it's a pretty good place to here in Olive Branch and not have to go up to Memphis.
Yeah.
Because I got to go to Memphis all the time for my stuff.
Yeah, not many people
So-
know about us. So that's good.
And
I
us,
appreciate you.
yeah, like Shatry says, it's always good to work local. So
Right, yeah, I
and we're
appreciate
local,
that.
so
Yeah, that's nice.
all right, guys. It was nice talking to you.
Yeah,
And
it
tell
was
your
nice
dad I
talking
said
to you.
hi.
I
And
will. It was nice meeting
let
you.
me get in here sometime.
Yeah.
Have a good one, man.
You too.
Well, all right, guys, that was pretty fun. So I got to see a shop. If I ever need anything, obviously there's a place in closer to me that can do tires, get some oil. It's on the way home from work. That's convenient. So, like Josh is always saying, if you can give your business to somebody local that's trying to, survive, to make their mark in the world, why not? Because that's what we're all trying to do. We're just trying to make our mark in the world and survive and do business and feed our families. So, and if you can afford to, I won't lie to you, man, sometimes local shops are a little more expensive, but it's because they don't have the mass cash flow and reserves that a bigger place does. And at the end of the day, I guess I'd rather give my money to an individual who's trying to feed his family and do good work, and that's a neighbor, than somebody who's just out trying to make more bucks for corporate America. And I guess in a way, you know, these Honda shops, those guys are trying to survive too, but they're not hurting for business. You know, these guys, they just open their own shops and are trying to just go. They need all the business they can get. I like Honda shops, I like Harley shops, but they have dedicated, you know, guys, and they have a business already. So it's not gonna hurt them. All right, guys, I'm gonna get home. I do believe that it's taco and margarita tonight. So let me get home to that. Check you guys later.